Hello dear traders, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you want to spend tomorrow's day with a profit, so stay with me for those 15 minutes and take all my technical researches for the Forex market. We'll discuss Forex, we'll discuss Brent oil, gold, silver, platinum. I think this will help you to get some profit on inflation data from America and China. I want to aware you that tomorrow we are going to get GDP, we're going to get CPI from China, first one. So if the inflation is bad for China, at the beginning of trading day, American dollar will get support to go up. But if CPI will be lower, it means that American dollar will go down. In front of your eyes, you can see technical picture for American dollar index, and this is the daily chart. My technical prediction so far is that under 103.5 area, price will go down to 101.30. It is really important. Under 103.5, it will go down to 101.30. It may go even lower. If you look at the market, the next level of support is 100.30, and after that it will go down to 98.60. But this is not a prediction right now. This is not a forecast. We always act after we see that market breaks some levels of support. So right now you can say that the tendency is going down. It means that we need to find entry points to sell American dollar. But intraday, if you watch this level 103 and they break this 103 level, they may test 103.30 and 103.50, but not higher. So on daily chart, it's still good to sell American dollar index and to buy a euro dollar. But intraday, yes, they may test 103.50 and you gotta be ready for that. General technical picture looks like this. It means that under this area, we expect price to go down to here, 101.30. And after you know this technical picture for American dollar, you may go to euro dollar. On euro dollar, what I like here is this 4-hour chart. On 4-hour chart, here is the support 1.0730, and if price on 4-hour chart is being above 10730, 40, this area, you keep buying up to 1.0950. On daily chart, there is no sell signal. On weekly chart, there is no sell signal. By the way, I could tell you that, yes, this is a good sell signal, but only if they give us one more black candle. What is the signal? Look at this. On weekly chart, which is a really strong one, you can see candles near the level of resistance showing an opportunity to go lower. But it is really important price to stay under 107.30, and only after that we can try to sell euro. If you try to sell euro right now, your stop loss goes somewhere over here, like 107.60, and probably market will hit your stop loss. So it's not really a good idea to sell euro right now unless you trade on like 1-minute chart or 5-minute chart. That's it. So now you know my predictions for euro dollar. Above 107.30, I expect price to go up to 109.50. But under 107.30, we may sell down to 107, 106, and so on. So yeah, this will be a moment for us to sell, but right now there is no opportunity to sell euro dollar. If you go to Great Britain pound, there are many traders who expect price to go down. Yes, and there are many analytical researchers that say that Great Britain pound is really weak and we should sell it. Should we? I'm going to be honest with you, I don't trade Great Britain pound right now. What I do believe in, that we have, for example, we have this upgoing tendency from last year, and we may use this Fibonacci instrument to understand that they're trying to break the support. And I can tell you that like under 1.2060 area, I may try to sell this instrument. But right now, for me, on daily chart and 4-hour chart and 1-hour chart, it's not clear that Great Britain pound is ready to go down. I would say that there are too many bad expectations for Great Britain pound, and due to that fact, I would say that Great Britain pound may go higher to 124.50, for example. But what I do, I trade with signals, and I don't have that trading signal right now to act for Great Britain pound. So I don't want to take your time too much on this instrument because, yeah, I'm trying different time frames. I'm trying to understand when I can enter market and when I can join it, but it doesn't help me so far. So I still don't see sell signal for Great Britain pound. And even when it starts to go down even a little bit, I'm like, why are you doing this? So I'm trying to find a reason, at least a technical reason, and I don't find it. And that's why I would say that it's much better to wait, give Great Britain pound time, because it's still not going down really hard. And here is the Japanese yen with American dollar. My congratulations to those who sold it. I didn't sell it, and I was selling just a little bit, but not from the top to bottom. And right now on weekly chart, we can say that there are like 2 weeks the price is going up. Does it mean that we have to buy? Look, on daily chart, the tendency is still going down, so it's only a correction, and price is still weak. It means that under 132.40 area, they will reach 126.60 area. We don't have signal to enter market today, but we're going to get the signal tomorrow. Why? Because we have CPI from China, we have CPI from America, and those are strong data that will give us volatility. And due to the fact that we are waiting for volatility, you got to be ready that market may hit even 134 area. Technically, I do expect price to hit 134 area. I can tell you why. For example, like on 30-minute chart, look at this. I would say that this technical resistance, 134 on 30-minute chart, still may appear if they break this 132.50 area. So what expect price to behave at that like if they hit 132.50 area tomorrow, even on Asian time, I may try to enter market with long positions up to 134. But this is not the main idea, because main idea is to find entry point for short positions down to 126.60. Now you know my technical levels and what I'm gonna do. For example, like those shadows on the bottom side right now give me nothing but an American session. This could be a moment for me to buy United States dollar with the Japanese yen, and my target would go up to 134. But in the same time, I would expect that American dollar index, for example, on 15-minute chart, is trying to hit the 103.30 area. So this would be like, okay, yeah, I don't understand why they do this, and I can buy this currency pair because the American dollar index is going up. Yeah, that's how it works for me. I always check American dollar index. I always check different currencies before I enter market. For example, like for Euro Japanese yen, I can tell you that I still have long positions for this instrument, and this is not the best, seriously, this is not the best trade I did. But for me, still, I would say that the market is not done yet. What I do, I make like this level of resistance, and I do understand that they are near the level of resistance. But are you ready to sell right now? Seriously, but tell me, are you ready to sell because it's near the level of resistance? I'm not ready to do that. I feel like, and I know the rules of the market, that before they give you sell signal, they need to give you a huge shot. And I expect Japanese yen to go a little bit higher, like up to 134 area. That's why, for example, for Euro Japanese yen, I expect at least 143 area. Current price is 142.30 for Euro Japanese yen. This is Euro Japanese yen 142.30 area. So I would expect price to hit at least 143 area. And only after that, on 1 hour chart or 4 hour chart, if they give me a sell signal, for example, with a shadow on the top side, I could try to sell. But right now, market doesn't look like a good one to sell. On daily chart, I don't have any signals because you know that a couple of weeks ago I was selling this instrument, and yeah, it worked really good for us. We sold because I knew the target that I'm selling to, and right now I don't have a long-term target, but I have a target that goes up to 143 area. That's it. Well, also, I think it's good to check Australian dollar because there are many traders who trade it actually, and I also know that there are many traders who like to sell it already. Australian dollar is, well, okay, you can say that Australian dollar goes together with gold, not directly, but if you see that gold is strong, it may help Australian dollar because they export it. And you can see that gold goes up for many months. In these conditions, we can't sell Australian dollar. The technical level of resistance goes up to 0.70, 0.700, whatever you want to hear, 0.7000. So yeah, you can see this green line for Australian dollar with American dollar, and this technical resistance is important. But also, yeah, you would say something like, oh, but candles are becoming black, but there is still no trading signal with the candlestick. And due to gold, I do expect Australian dollar to go higher up to 0.70. I don't sell it now. And they're trying to show me short positions really bad. They're trying to show me that it's time to sell, but I don't sell it because I know that they will hit this level of resistance. So guys, it's our opportunity to buy until price is above 0.6870. Attention, above 0.6870, your target goes up to 0.700 or for example 0.70 over here. Okay, I hope it helps you. For Euro, Great Britain pound, oh my God, this is mine. This is my headache because I don't buy it. Yeah, and yes, you can tell me that this is my mistake. Yes, you'll be absolutely right. And on monthly chart, it looks like they're trying to go really high. If Great Britain pound goes down, we can see that it will go really high up. But I don't believe so far that Great Britain pound is ready to fall. That's why I still believe that we can use this level of resistance, 0.8860. If they give us sell signal from this area on 4-hour chart, we can try to sell here. And yeah, this can be a good entry point. What I don't like here, that I was selling it once, twice, 3 times, and this is the like 4th time, and they still didn't reach like the 30 area over here on RSI period 14, and this is something I don't like because for me it's like a signal that this range doesn't work. But if they give us sell signal from over here, the Euro Great Britain pound, your target will go down to 0.8750 and after that 0.87. Now we can go to Brent, gold and silver. This is Brent daily technical picture. Daily technical picture is still the same. Under 77 you sell down to 65, but market doesn't hit that level of support. And it doesn't mean that you have to give up. Wait, after they break this support, maybe in a week, maybe in a day, you'll be ready to sell down to 65. On 4-hour chart, they're trying to go up, but they are still weak. So what I would expect for example, we need American dollar index behavior. We need to understand that American dollar index is trying to go up. After that, we see shadows on the top side from Brent, and we try to sell even from here, like 82.50 or from 83.30 area. But after American dollar index is trying to show us that it will go up, after that we can try to sell Brent. Without American dollar index, yes, I would say it's also possible to trade, that I would trade under 77 area after they hit this support. For gold, current price is 1,885, and I can tell you honestly that I don't trade it now because I don't buy it. Yes, one more huge mistake. I'm not shy of my profits. I'm not shy of my mistakes, but this is something that I do for myself, and I don't buy gold, but I'm gonna try to find this entry point if they're not gonna stop. Okay, well, for example, if American dollar index keeps going down, for gold, this will be a sign to go up to 1,960, because next serious level of resistance goes over here, 1,960, and the level of support is somewhere around here, which is 1,840. So when I would enter market after they retest it and go up, would I buy it right now? I didn't buy it before, so I wouldn't buy it right now. But if you ask me about levels of resistance, it goes up to 1,960. If you check 1 hour chart, the price has been above 200 moving average. The 4 hour chart, the price is above 200 moving average. The 30-minute chart is the same. So if price hits this support and rebound from here, this may be your entry point for long positions, and your target will go up to 1,966. For silver, daily chart doesn't look like you may predict behavior. As I told you before, they may go down to 22, they may go up to 25. General forecasts go that price will reach 25 area. If you check any analytical researches, yes, for silver for this year, this is a really good level of resistance, 25. But on weekly chart, it looks like market gave up a little bit. Does it mean that we have to sell silver? No, because we don't have sell signal. On 4 hour chart, we don't have sell signal. You can say that price is being in a range. Lately, since like the last half of December, it's in a range. So we can check 1 hour chart and we can try to trade within range. If it works for you, the 1 hour chart, 30-minute chart, and RSI period 14, this is something you may trade like today, tomorrow, and the day after tomorrow. General target for this instrument, and this is something that is in on the market, is like 25.70. But if silver doesn't get too much volatility tomorrow, gold will get it. But if silver doesn't get too much volatility, you may trade within this range. I think this will help you to earn money. I wish you profit. Stay with me on this YouTube channel and subscribe to my Telegram channel. Bye guys!